walking into the video because my camera would not start today. So I'm going to give you today 5 video tips that you can start today. Start making YouTube videos that will help you get monetized on YouTube quicker. Because everybody wants to see what you're doing and everybody wants to be monetized. And how that works is once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month calendar year, YouTube will kick in with their monetization and you can get paid for making your YouTube videos. So how fun is that? So the goal is you want as many subscribers as possible and you want those people to be watching, because subscribers mean nothing if they're not watching your videos. And so that I'm going to give you here top 5 things that you can make videos on that people will watch and help you increase your time. Okay, so number 1 is take a top 10 video of products that you use. So products that you use in your business, products that you use to set up your display booth, products you have in your craft room, anything product wise that you're actually physically using to create your product. So for instance, I use this display stand. I could do a top video on that. I've already wrote a blog post on my farmer's market setup. You can go over and watch my either the video on YouTube about it or read the blog post online. So I have these hangers. I can use those as a top 10. I mean, without the hangers, I wouldn't be able to hang up anything. Without my sewing machine, I wouldn't be able to, sew my products. So that's top 10 of products you use. Just make a list. You could even do top 20. You could do top 30. Make the video as long as possible without it being boring or repetitive. Okay, so the number 2 thing that you can do to get another video idea on your products is to make patterns of your products. So everybody knows I make these rugs. And if you don't know, I mean, go watch a video. Go watch the YouTube video called Jelly Roll Rug Tutorial, and I'll show you. I make the rugs. I can't possibly make them for everybody. So instead of staying up till 5 o'clock in the morning sewing every night, I made a tutorial, which I now get paid for the tutorial off of different platforms. But anyway, regardless, whatever you're making, so if it's jewelry, if it's soap, people want to see the process. So show them how to do it. They're never going to make the same thing that you're making. They're never going to package it the same way. They're never going to make a YouTube video the same way. They're never going to have a website that sits right next door to yours. They're never going to show up at the same farmer's market with the exact same soap and the exact same packaging. So go ahead and give some people some value for what you're making. Okay, so then the next place that you can make a video that's super easy and people love to see is a tour of your craft space. This is one little corner of my craft space, and now you've seen it. People like to see that stuff. So take them around, explain to them, little cubby holes, little tips and tricks you've used for organization. You can share some of the products with them. Be sure to get affiliate links for things that you're sharing products for is another way to get paid. And make it fun. I mean, make it interesting. Even in my videos where I'm teaching tutorials on, say, a rug, I have made a mandala tutorial. These are my files that I sell on Etsy. I have, when I do my videos, I do a halftime snack time report. It promotes another product. I never get paid for promoting these snack products, but people love it. They send me messages and they're like, oh, how fun. You're teaching a tutorial on something, you put a hook in there, and now I can go and make my own rug. They ask me questions and it's fun. It's engaging. And when you invite people into your space, and you invite people into your home, they get to know you on a personal level, and they're more likely to watch another video that you put out. So keep that in mind. Be happy, be friendly. Leave your day drama on the, on the outside of the room, girls. Just leave that alone and show them around. They'll love it. Okay, another one that we want to make is a room transformation. So if you don't have your workspace set up yet, or you're changing your workspace, what you want to do is videotape the process. HGTV has a whole entire channel with reveals. They have, buy this house, renovate this house, flip this house, fix this up. Everybody loves a reveal. They have fashion shows on different channels as well, where everybody's like, okay, I'm watching the process and here is the finished product. There's no reason that you can't make a video over what you're doing as well, on what you're doing as well, sorry. And people will watch that. They want to cheer you on. So, and once you get your haters, that's when you know that you made it. So don't even worry about those people leaving negative remarks on your videos. Just brush them off. It's all fine. Okay, so number 5 is suppliers. So we're all struggling. We all want to know where we got stuff. If you help people out by providing them value on what you're doing, they will come back to you repeatedly. I have so many repeat clients, repeat people watching my videos, repeat people coming up to me in stores, all because I'm sharing my ideas and I'm sharing my products and I'm sharing my patterns. And now I'm sharing my suppliers. So yes, I get paid from affiliate links, and that's all fine and well, but I don't share every single thing that I do as a way to be making money. I also share products that I have no monetization from and never will, just because I feel like somebody else could get value out of doing that. So I might tell you about somebody that made my sign and put their link in. I might tell you about a friend that has a craft business or is making a product that I'm using in my home, or some food product that I'm eating. You don't have to do everything just because you're getting paid for it. So, you know, if you've got a special little clasp or something on your jewelry that you're making, or you found a new scent that you've imported for some soaps, tell somebody where you got it. They're never going to make the same thing as you, so it doesn't matter anyway. And you've made a new friend, and the friends and the repeat customers are what's going to get you monetized on YouTube. So write that down. And right after you write that down, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell button, and help me out. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day. So I hope you liked that video on my 5 tips and tricks for videos that you can make to help get monetized on YouTube. Remember, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month calendar year. And so if anybody's interested, here are some of my patterns here for Mandela files. I own all of these patterns, and I sell the digital patterns, which you can download. And then I teach a tutorial on YouTube. I will put a link just after this video. So you can see here a nice close-up of the detail in these files. And so here is a great tip for, you can see my reflection there. That's okay. Here's a great tip for a video that you can produce that has a pattern in it that you can upload to YouTube. So whatever you're making, upload a pattern and people will love it. Have a great day, guys. We'll chat later.